Narito ngayon yung ating pangalawang contestant naman, isang barbershop owner, 58 years old, mula sa Olongapo City, Reynaldo Benavente.
Oy!
Thank you for the music and just stories out the road. Thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. Thank you for the kindness and the times when you got tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and the song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the men. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am the living legacy to the leader of the band.
Kaya ni Victo. Pare,
Seren lead.
tirahin mo to yung kinakagat.
Hindi, parang...
Parang si Jimi Hendrix. Kaya mo yan.
Wag ganun.
Nangamgam ba nun?
Wag ganun.
Kaya mo.
Hindi maganda yung ganun. Reynaldo, gano'ng kadalas ka magpa-pedicure? Alamin natin ang mga score mo. Eto si Reynaldo Benavente, si Boy Pedicure, ay nakakuha ng 63 points.
Okay. Pare Mek, ayaw mo talagang ngabngabin. para si Jimi Hendrix ba yun?
Yung kinakagat?
Kinakagat yung strings.
Yung mga...
Tampol. Ayaw mo. Ito naman mga kaibigan, kakaibang bida.